welcome back to my channel. Before we get anything started, I want you guys to go ahead and subscribe to my channel below. Go ahead and like and leave a comment. Today is going to be slightly different. I am copying / recreating a Instagram follower. Well, somebody that I follow on Instagram. She's called talented_MUAs_. I have it somewhere on the screen, but in this video we're following step by step what she's doing. Only difference is obviously is the lid space, because I did not have that blue on hand, but it worked out. I give all credit to this artist. Nothing, I could have never thought to do this look. It's actually very easy. It's only like 3 or 4 steps. So we're gonna just go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and go. All right, so in the picture, it looks like she used a bright orange shade. I'll put it up here. I have a couple of palettes. I have the NYX Sugar Trip Sugar palette. I was thinking about this orange, and also the Jaclyn Hill palette. The, what is it? Secure. So I'm just gonna mix those 2 colors and put it up in the crease.
Son, where'd you find this?
For the matte purple, I'm gonna dig into the NYX Birthday palette and use this purple here. And I'm going to use a more precise brush and put that into my crease. The hard part has come. she cuts the crease in the third picture, and I'm so scared because it's literally like the whole thing. Okay, I can do this. I can cut a crease. I'm gonna use the Morphe M170 brush. It's a flat tapered brush like that, and we're gonna go ahead and cut this crease. We can do it. I'm gonna use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Almond, oh no, Fawn. Actually, I'm using the Almond shade. I can do better. I can do better cut creases than this. But for right now, this is the best that I got. I could do so much better, but we're gonna have to leave it how it is because I'm afraid I'm gonna mess up. Like, I feel like this eye can go a little bit higher, but if I go a little bit higher, it's not gonna match this eye. So the eye is cut. The next step is to pack on with a bright shimmery blue eyeshadow. It's probably something I should add to my collection. The most that I found was from the Juvia's Place mini palette, the Magic mini palette, and it was more of a green that I can see that kind of matches. There's Faso, but it's kind of duochrome. They is a bit too dark. I'm gonna do some swatches and let's see what happens, because this is Vey, which, like I said, it's pretty dark. You really don't get much. This one is Yemoja. Ooh, look at that. I could use this. And then Faso has a purple undertone, a purple shift to it. Buzo is that pretty green color. Well, these are the swatches. I could do that green shade instead of that blue, because I really don't want to mess it up by going a little bit too dark. Or I think I'm gonna try to go with this shade here. See, it's too light. I'm going towards this green, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it with the green. To pack it on, I'm using a Morphe M224 brush. And I'm not sure if I should wet the brush or not. I'm gonna wet the brush with the Mario Badescu spray water. Okay, this turned out a little bit better than I expected. I've never used this green before because I never really had a reason to use it. But I'm glad I dipped into it. Ooh, it's so pretty. Okay, all right, next step. The next step is to go ahead and add eyeliner. We are using the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. She's using Inglot in her picture, but I ain't got Inglot. So I'm gonna go ahead and go off camera because I can't record this. I'm gonna go ahead and go off camera and do my liner, and I'll be right back. All right, the next picture shows she did her under eyes and she added lashes. For the under eyes, it looks like she put black. I'm so confused. I feel like I'm missing a step. In the picture, it doesn't look like it's orange, but she did put orange. It's probably the editing. So I'm gonna take the bake off and I'll be right back. I'm going to take Noir out of the Smashbox palette and run it under my eye. This is the only black I have in my palette, so in my collection. And to blend it out, I'm going to use that same orange out of the NYX palette. I'm gonna add some lashes. While these are drying, I just finished putting them on. I'm gonna go ahead and highlight, blush up my face, and finish off the rest of this look. So this is the finished look. I have no complaints at all compared to the photo. Only thing that's different is obviously the color. I could have cut the crease a bit higher and better, but I just didn't want to work on it so much that I mess it up. So I'm not sure what she used for her lips. I'm not sure what she used for her face, but I'll make sure that I leave everything in the description bar below, you know, right above, well, right below the subscribe box. Yeah, that. You guys can go ahead and follow her Instagram at talented_MUAs_. She does a lot of work. I don't know what attracted me to her, but it was so cool. Tag me into a picture if you see something that I may be able to do. So with that being said, I want you guys to go ahead and subscribe to this channel. I need to put out a vlog. I really do. I may start tomorrow. I may start the vlog tomorrow. But other than that, I want you guys to have a great day, and I'll see you again.